Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on how to draw a cube. So the way you draw a cube is fairly simple. You start off with a square, okay? So we're just going to jump right into this. So you draw a square, and after you have your square mapped out from here to here, from here to here, all equal sides as best as we can, what we do is we create a line from here to about there. And that's it. And another line from here going the same angle. So the way that this goes up, you want to create another one that goes up as well. About the same length from here to here, from here to here. Next, all you do is draw a straight line down. And that's it. You got the front part, you got the side of the cube, and then the way that this line is, it angles up. You want to go ahead and create another line that angles up as well. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 angle ups, okay? And then 1 straight across. And it's that easy, okay? So we start off with a square. That was step 1. The next step is a line here, and come back down. 1 line this way and 1 across. And if you want to go ahead and add some shading, just to kind of give it a little dimension. We're just having fun with it. This is a pen, so keep it light. There is no erasing. And go ahead and darken in some of these lines here. Darken in some of these lines here. And once again, we're committing to the lines. Now that we started off light, I'm just going to go ahead and start darkening some of these edges up and committing to the lines. Going a little darker. Go ahead and darken this one up. And darken this one up. And going across this way. And going across this way. I'm just using that back and forth motion to do a little shading. Keep it nice and easy, nice and light. Just having fun with it, creating shapes, getting a good understanding of how a cube is supposed to look. This is just an exercise, just practice, nothing serious. And once you understand how to draw this cube, you'll start to understand how to draw different things. But it all starts with simple shapes. Just going back and forth motion, back and forth, nice and light. Doing a little cross hatching. And cross hatching is shading one way and then angling it and coming across another way. See how I made this part a little darker? That gives it depth. Gives it shape, gives it form, okay? And that's it. There's your cube. Thanks for watching.